Do you ever feel overwhelmed, can't concentrate on anything, not respected in high school or college by friends and peers, can't complete a simple task without giving up on your first try, too busy on your phones and social media, messy personal space, screen time is above safety limits, and playing games all day? Well, I'm glad you found me. Listen up, guys. The difference between Mr. Gents Glow and other YouTube channels is, I actually do care about you. I don't really give a shit about the numbers or subscriptions or trying to clickbait you into watching my stuff. If you think you don't need what I have to say, off you go then. For those who have decided to stay, if you ever feel as I have mentioned above, all you need is a total glow up and life reset. The first step is to decide. Once you make a solemn decision to reset your life, then follow through with these steps. Number 1, discipline. Look guys, believe it or not, but discipline is the first and the most important step for a full glow up and life reset. You can't be living life in an unhealthy manner, using your phones for 14 hours a day, eating shit, not exercising, and having poor hygiene due to laziness. You need to step up. Discipline will guide you to a full life reset. I've done the hard work for you already. I have designed a premium gym plan, meal menu guide, and a 90-day glow-up regime just for you in the link in the description. My goal before the end of 2024 is to raise men who are living their best lives. Imagine having a toned, muscular, symmetrical, and classy look, all because you decided to be disciplined. You can never be respected if you do not respect yourself. That is why you think you got low self-esteem amongst other guys. Number 2, style maxing. Concentrate on improving your style as a guy. You can't claim to reset your life and still look like a toddler. Consider getting cargo pants, jorts, plain shirts, satin pants, jeans, and other fashionable items to max out your looks. Burn all your ripped jeans, skinny pants, and huge graphic prints. Then move on to accessories. Wear moderate silver rings, necklaces, and wristwatches. Wear quality shoes and high-grade leather. Do not just revamp your clothes, but also the way you smell. You cannot look good and smell like the gutters. Proper hygiene is key. Pick up all your clothes from the floor, men. Brush twice a day, bathe twice a day, and floss. I really didn't want to say this, but I must say it. Do not repeat your underwear, guys. Last but not least, use high-grade cologne. Once your style is fully maxed out, you are on the path to a full life reset. Number 3, hard work and ethics. Until you put in the work, you will see no change. I'm talking about your finances. I'm talking college work, side hustles, dreams, and passion. If you are a professional gamer, play it like your life depends on it. If you are a hairdresser, make the best hair known to man. If you are in college, be the rising star. If you play any sports, be the best in what you do. Men who actually work hard enough to provide are the really attractive ones. Be passionate about what you do as long as it is legal. Good hard work and ethics will set you higher than your friends, leading you to an automatic respect and regard from them. You need to understand that no one listens to a broke guy. Because if what you say are facts, then why the hell are you broke? Hard work pays. It will pay you back every single dime of effort you've put in. Trust me. So I need you to stand up. Make your decision from today. Follow the gym plan for a proper exercise regime. Follow the menu guide for proper nutrition. And the glow up guide for a full life reset. I always keep my videos short and true. Trust me, guys. Follow these steps for a total life reset and glow up. Do not say tomorrow. Start today.